Lecture 28, Advice for Further Practice. The essay that we have developed in this course would achieve a very high score in the IELTS exam, much higher than Band 7. Of course, in reality, it is not so easy to write like this. Every candidate will have different knowledge and skills, and of course the exam is timed. But with regular practice and good feedback, you will certainly reach your goal. At first, take your time and focus on writing a good quality essay. After you have become skilled at writing a logical and grammatically accurate essay, you should start doing timed practices. The following is my recommendation for the timing of an IELTS Task 2 writing. Spend 10 minutes on your plan, write for 25 minutes and allow at least 5 minutes at the end to check your writing. I regret to say that I cannot personally train you with your writing practice. But remember, you can review the videos at any time to remind yourself of the many different ideas that we've covered. In fact, I highly recommend that you review the videos because I'm very sure that you'll continue to notice new things every time you see them. Now you know the important foundations of what makes a good IELTS essay. It's up to you now to go and practice what you've learned. I have given you the recipe, but you are the one who has to cook. Practice regularly and try to enjoy it. Seek feedback from others and check your writing against the descriptors. Always remember to plan. And most importantly, don't give up. The more you practice, the better you will get. Your IELTS Band 7 in writing is just around the corner. Good luck.